So we spent today starting to prep our camper for our big trip that we're getting ready to take this summer.
Can't wait.
We can't wait at all. It's going to be so much fun, and we really hope that you follow us on this trip because it's going to be a lot of fun.
Please do.
We're going to do a lot of great, hopefully do some great videos here for you guys. But when we came home from after all of the work that we did on the camper, we decided we were going to make a pizza because we were just hungry and we wanted something quick and easy. And pizza
it's my favorite.
I was going to say pizza's always been one of our favorites. So before we started taking video, I did some prep work and I did the dough. That is basically, I took a cup of mozzarella cheese, a cup of shredded Parmesan Asiago cheese that we get at Sam's Club. Mm-hmm. I also did 2 ounces of cream cheese, and you pulse that in a blender. After that is nice and thick and creamy, then you take that and you actually add a cup and a half of almond flour. You add baking powder, about a teaspoon of that, and then after that I stop measuring. I do some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Italian seasoning, and you mix that, and some salt, and you mix that all together, again pulsing it. You also have to mix it a little bit with a spatula in the blender because it doesn't always mix up real well. You take that out of that and you put it onto parchment paper on top of a sheet pan, and you spread it out nice and thin as you can on the sheet pan. We then bake it at about 400 degrees for about 15 minutes to get that as crispy as you can, nice and brown and everything melted and all that kind of stuff. And then you pull it out and you put all the toppings on that you want. Mm-hmm. We do a sauce. As you can see in the one video, we use a Primal Kitchen sauce that has no sugar added to it. Yep. And then on top of that, we do some sauteed onions, some sauteed mushrooms. We do pepperoni, which is probably not one of the cleanest things that we could do, but we love it. So we use boar's head, which is the cleanest that we can find. So we do some boar's head pepperoni, and then we top it with some more of the cheese, more of the mozzarella and the shaved Parmesan and all of that. Bake it again for another 8 to 10 minutes, and it comes just amazing. And we love it. Can't really tell a difference.
I didn't think I'd ever be able to have pizza again, and this has been a game changer. This makes pizza doable, and it's low carb, and it doesn't bother my stomach, and I absolutely love it. It's delicious, and I hope you guys can try it.
Yeah, and we figured out we could do it very easily in the camper as well. So that is something that we're going to try this year. We're going to try and do that in the camper, in the oven in the camper. A lot of people don't like to cook in their ovens, in their kitchens, in the camper and stuff like that, but we have no problem with doing that. So that is something that we are going to try to do this year. But like we said, we have a huge trip coming up. We're not telling you where we're going just yet. It's a surprise, but we have a fantastic summer planned, and we can't wait to share it with you guys.
Absolutely, and we're going to have some more videos of us prepping. We're going to do some healthy additions to the camper, getting it ready for our big trip, and we hope that you can join us.
From our kitchen to yours, happy, healthy living.